Hello everybody. I just wanted to share with you all a new package that I just received today. Pretty excited about this. I ordered 2 of the new PAMP Nature's Grip Sunbeam snake bars. And I actually ordered these from a new seller that I've never ordered from before. Silver Stacker LLC, shout out. Thank you very much for the super quick delivery. Like, I seriously ordered this, what, 2 days ago, maybe 3 days ago, and it came really quick. So thank you for that. It arrived in a nice padded envelope here. I tore off a little bit of the shipping label there. So let's see what we got. Okay, we got another padded envelope within the envelope, which is nice. Added protection during the shipping. I'm excited. This is the new bar that has the scales that have the kind of hologram effect. I'm not quite sure how they did it, but it's a sort of shimmering hologram on one side of the bar. Yeah, you can kind of see it there through the bubbles. Let's get this unwrapped. Nice. I like that. We've got bubbles and bubbles and bubbles. This came very well protected. Thank you very much, Silver Stacker LLC. The website where I got this is silverstackerllc.com. It was a really good price. You were not buying these to stack silver. If you buy these, you're buying them to collect them. They are a limited mintage of 3,000, and they come in these really nice little assay cards, which give you all of the details in the back. So let's see here. We've got 2506 and 2507. They do have the certificate number on the back. The assay card is kind of like I guess it is the certificate of authenticity. And I like that the coin comes sealed within this plastic case here, this assay card, so that, you know, gives you the security of knowing that it's authentic PAMP Swiss made silver here. So let's just look at one of these up close. See how close I can get that. Yeah, that looks good. I can't wait to get this outside and see what it looks like in the sunshine, which I am gonna do, so stay tuned. I love that they have, you know, the detail image of a snake here. I like that it says Swiss made. It tells you that this is the Nature's Grip. I think that this is going to be a series of coins, and that this is the first one within that series. If you haven't gotten one of these, get one now. I don't know, are all of the coins going to be like gripped by a snake or something else? I'm not sure. I love the detailed lines back there, and I love how they move with the way that the bar is being crushed by the snake. That's really cool. On the back here, it tells you again that this is Swiss made silver by PAMP. PAMP.com. Only 3,000 of these made. So like I said, this is a collectible piece. This isn't something you're gonna want to stack necessarily. Well, definitely not. I paid $80 for this, so 80 bucks an ounce is, you know, not a stacking price. The collecting price right there. Actually, that was a really good price because I looked at a few different sites and Silver Stacker LLC absolutely had the best price on these. If you haven't checked out that website, make sure you do that. And let's take these outside and see what they look like in the sunshine.